So you want to learn how to do Eli hops. I can help with that. So this is my Eli hops tutorial. I've been requested it so many times. Let's go. So as you may have noticed, I'm actually doing this trick with a really short string. Partly because I think it's easier to learn that way, and partly because then I think you can see what I'm doing a little bit easier. So the motion of Eli hops is quite simple. All you're doing really is hopping the yo-yo up and you're landing it back on the string, like this. So the motion is basically you're pulling your hands apart so the yo-yo leaves the string, and then you're going to bring your hands together because the yo-yo is going up on the string. And then what you're going to do is put your hands apart again because you want this string that's coming off the yo-yo to be as tight as possible. So I'm going to slow this down. And that's all very good, but you probably want the yo-yo to go that way a little bit rather than just straight up. If you're holding the yo-yo string horizontally like this, your yo-yo is going to bounce on the string and go straight up. So if you want the yo-yo to go in that direction, then actually it makes sense for the yo-yo string that it's bouncing on to be at an angle like this. And actually what you'll find is that the yo-yo will naturally want to go in a straight line off that string. And that's what you're then yanking it back onto the string. And that's basically the gist of trying to get the yo-yo to go as far that way as possible. So I generally move my hand up a little bit and I face the direction that I want to bounce the yo-yo or Eli hop. And then do it like that. If you look at the angle of the string isn't horizontal, it's facing in the direction that I want to bounce the yo-yo. And that is basically how you do Eli hops. And then once you've mastered it with a shorter string, actually what you can do is just move on to a standard string, and then you can work on the angle and try and get the yo-yo to bounce in the direction you want to go in, basically. And that is how you do Eli hops.